trying to be normal. I'm always overthinking. I'm driving myself crazy.
Hello, welcome back to the Crazy House Saloon. My name is Melissa, and I am going to unbox this Witch's Roots. It is a subscription box. Of course, you can cancel anytime you want. I have been receiving this box probably for almost a year now, but I've never done the unboxing. What I like about this box is I love getting the different crystals and stones. I love the beeswax candles, and there's always a little something extra that I've not seen anywhere else. So let's take a look at what we got. And now this did come in a package. It's very discreet, so it is covered, but I took the package off because it has my personal information on it. But once you take it out of the package, this is what it looks like. And so when you get the box, you're going to have your paper on top. Now this is going to give us the theme, and it's also going to give us information on every item that is in this box. So I'm just going to take a quick look at the theme. This month's theme is the Spirit Well. As spirit grows older and wiser each season, we begin to choose love over hatred, understanding over judgment, and progress over stagnation. We find this through the continual effort of connecting with our vulnerabilities and working to heal our past traumas and misunderstandings. The world around us begins to become more vibrant and full of affirmative energies when we work through the healing process. We connect with our empathetic self, which sways close to the spirit realm, able to find glimpses of new information and wisdom through heightened sensitivity. In this very special collection, we work with a variety of tools to bring us healing, growth, protection through connecting with more sensitive and spiritual characteristics of self. The magical items in this box are as follows. So, let's just take a look at what we got here. Just feels like a little cardboard type item. This says, through the trustworthy grace of divine timing, my soul blooms and creativity expresses my unique destiny with love. And then there's no writing on this side. We always get some artwork, which is so pretty. This is the first one. The next artwork is actually got two of the same. That's funny. I got two exactly the same, and both of them were Elderberry Herbal Grimoire artwork. That's the one I got two of. And I guess this is the Chalice Wells. I'm thinking this is the personalized oracle reading. We have meditated and selected a card from the Circles of Healing deck by Alana Fairchild to place inside your box. This card and the symbols that are represented was meant for you. Take the time to reflect on the wisdom that it holds. Know that there is a specific reason you have received this card. Let it resonate with you and speak to the pressing realities in your world. I think that's what that is I think that's what this is the personalized oracle reading. And then this artwork, Chalice Walls, if I'm pronouncing that, or Wells, if I'm pronouncing that right, is written and illustrated by A.E. Alden. The beautiful Chalice of Wells reference artwork holds wonderful information regarding the magical properties and importance of the sacred site. Place within your Book of Shadows for future reference. So the Elderberry Herbal Grimoire artwork, we have partnered with a very talented local artist to create an exclusive piece of artwork to honor Elderberry. Add this beautiful artwork to your Book of Shadows, Herbal Grimoire, or place on your altar to display. Written and illustrated by A.E. Alden. They use A.E. Alden quite a bit. Beautiful, beautiful artwork all the time. So the next item comes in like a little blue sachet bag. This looks to be like some sort of a necklace. So this is the symbol. And on the back, it says, everything is interconnected. So, comes on this chain. Just going to hang it right there for right now. Next, we have a really beautiful stone here. This, to me, looks like a bit of an amethyst stone, maybe. Let's see what it says. And I forgot to read about the necklace. So, the necklace is the Chalice Well Pendant with chain. And we have some information here. It's said to be in almost constant use for at least 2,000 years. The Chalice well carries deep and mystic energies, also known as Red Spring. It has some more information on here in regards to the Chalice well. And this stone is actually a rough lepidolite stone. It is one of the most effective calming stones. Lepidolite can be a wonderful companion on your journey of healing and self-discovery. The beautiful stone brings harmony and patience into our space and ritual. Keep this stone with you as you travel or place nearby as you perform your magical workings. The element is water. Okay, so the next item is, I believe, probably a candle. It normally comes wrapped up, but it has some herb or something on there. So I'm going to leave it in the bag. We'll see what that is. Vibratory Growth Mini Spell Candle. It's been hand rolled. It's intentions of providing you with space, silence, and stillness as your journey through healing and shadow working rituals. It's been rolled with lemon balm herb. Okay. So the next item is a tea bag. So we got some tea in here. Elixir of Life Herbal Tea. Elixir of Life Ritual Herbal Tea with muslin bag. We have included this wonderfully soothing Elixir of Life Ritual Tea to this collaboration to bring you calming and regenerative energies. It's created with peppermint, elderflower, rosehip, ginger, anise seed, and thyme. Yarrow and calendula, I guess that's how to say that. Okay, so I have a new tea to try out. And then you usually get some sort of an herb or something like that, and it looks like we received the elderberry. So let's see what that says. Okay, so elderberries are found on the elder tree, specifically the black elder, formerly known as being a flower shrub in the honeysuckle family. So it goes on to read a little bit more about the elderberry. So if that's something that you want to read about, I will put that up on the screen for you. And a couple more items in here. Another thing I really like about these boxes is essential oils and the incense. So these are always a different creation than what I normally buy. So I really like that aspect of it. So this is the oil, and it comes with the spray. So I'm assuming it's some sort of a room spray. So this is the Neptune Ritual Aura Spray. It says, we are thrilled to be able to introduce our Neptune Ritual Aura Spray within this special collection. This is a very special blend, and it was created to strengthen your intuition, release your judgments, and bring you closer to your creative self. We have created this aura spray with the oils of spearmint, peppermint, lemon, and rosemary, lemongrass, lemon verbenes, and a special mixture of our higher self magical oil from the personal cabinet of witchery. So this is going to be a room spray. And the last item is the eucalyptus incense. So let's just take a look at all the items we received. So we've got the incense sticks. We received the necklace here, the pendant in the necklace, the room spray, the elderberry, Elixir of Life tea with the tea bag, the stone, the candle with the herb. Got the double artwork there for elderberry. The Chalice Wells artwork. And my card. So I'm pretty happy with this box this time around. I think I'll keep it maybe for a couple more times at least. The Witch's Moon has 3-tier boxes. We have the Witch's Roots, the Witch's Moon, and the Bounty. The Bounty is the most expensive box I do not receive. It's about $70 a month, and it's really focused around like a jewelry piece. And I did look up on their website, and the jewelry pieces that they put in the box are really expensive. So you are getting your money's worth. I might try the box for just like 1 month, maybe my birthday or something, and, you know, just get the box for myself just for that 1 month. But it's not something I would do every month. However, this month I did do the Witch's Moon, so I will be doing that unboxing, and I will link that on here for you guys to check that out. So I will see you guys real soon in the next video. Bye.